Watch the video till the end. Subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Moderate Mag. 5.1 earthquake, Indonesia, Banda Sea on Sunday, March 26, 2023 at 9:41 p.m. local time, according to the United States Geological Survey USGS reported. This quake was likely an aftershock of the 7.9 quake Banda Sea, Indonesia, January 10, 2023 3:17 a.m. which had occurred 11 weeks earlier. Updated, March 26, 2023 1300 Greenwich Mean Time, just now. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, user reports, aftershocks, earlier quakes here, quakes in Indonesia, Maluku. Moderate magnitude 5.1 earthquake at 47 kilometers depth.